Hi, just want to give a quick update on my Robinhood portfolio. The market just closed about an hour and a half ago. So I'm going to go ahead and share what I have in my portfolio and share some of the trades that I placed this week. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and stick around until the end. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who is interested in making money in the stock market. We already have 15 members in there, and we would love for you to come join us, collaborate, share ideas, find new strategies to grow our portfolios, as well as learn from each other. I will also be sharing my trades with you as well. So if you are interested, check out my link down below. So my portfolio is down 1%, and that is mainly because of Blackberry. So take a look at the 1 year chart. It's up 55%, an all-time high if it's up 55%. So I am definitely trying to grow this account to at least 100,000 by the end of this year. There's still 8 months left to go, so plenty of time left. So if you guys are interested in following my journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do updates daily. So we'll take a look at my options. I do trade a lot of options, selling, buying, but mostly selling options. And the reason I like selling options is because we actually receive a premium up front from the option buyers. So there's option buyers and option sellers. When option buyers are buying a contract, they are paying a premium. That premium goes to the option sellers. So we'll take a look at Amc Cover Call. So what this is saying is if the stock price, which is at 10.16, goes to $14 on expiration date, which is tomorrow, then I would have to sell my 100 shares at $14. But since I am bullish on AMC, if my option is breached, let's say if AMC is trading at $13.50 tomorrow, what I can do is I can roll my contract over to the following week and raise my strike price in order for this to be worthless. And when it's worthless, I will not have to sell my shares at the strike price. So I only received $4. You might think that's not a lot of money, but if I have more than 100 shares, I can sell more than one contract. And that's what I did with this one. So this one I sold a little bit earlier, and I was able to collect $10 on it. So for those people that have call options with a 16 strike price that expires tomorrow, they're essentially worthless by now because AMC is at $10. For them to make money, it would have to go to 16 or above tomorrow for those people that have bought call options. That's right, I'd rather be on the other side, the option seller side, collecting the premiums. I do buy options, but when I do, I usually buy longer term option contracts. So the next one is Blackberry. I sold 8 contracts. I was able to get $16 on every contract, and this is just extra income. So I usually have a strike price that is above where a trade price is. So we take a look at my Blackberry shares. I have 800 shares. That's why I sold 8 contracts. Blackberry was down over 9% today, and my cost basis is $13.02. I am down $3,600. Blackberry reported their fourth quarter reports, and they had losses of $315 million or 56 cents a share after posting losses of 7 cents a share a year ago. Revenue for the fourth quarter was $210 million, down from $282 million the same period last year. Executives attributed some of the revenue shortfall to limited patent licensing, explaining that Blackberry is attempting to sell some patents to an unnamed buyer. The CEO, John Chen, he stated, "We entered into an exclusive negotiation with a North American party for the sale of a portion of the company's portfolio, mainly related to mobile devices, messaging, and wireless networking." Chen also noted that a 2021 forecast was made difficult by the patent negotiations. He said that if a sale does not go through, Blackberry would expect $100 million in annual licensing revenue for its core software and services business. Chan projected annual sales of $675 million to $715 million. It wasn't the reports that everyone was looking for, and of course the stock fell. And a lot of us are bag holding it because of the whole rally. I actually got into Blackberry before it went all the way up to, I think it was $25. And then it just came crashing down below where I bought in at. It was doing so well in the beginning. They were getting all these partnerships. I mean, they still are getting partnerships, and I'm very bullish on Blackberry still. We're just going to see a lot of short-term volatility. I believe this is about a 5-year hold. Same thing with Nokia. I have leap calls on Nokia that I'm down a lot on. This is a 2023 call. Thankfully it is. And 40 leap calls, down 3,700 already. And I also have Nokia shares as well. I have 1,000 shares of Nokia with an average cost of $4.98. So I do plan on buying more to bring down my average. And then we have AMC. So AMC, I'm actually up because I bought these leap calls back in December when no one was talking about AMC. So I bought 10 call options back in December. I sold 7 when the stock price went up, and I should have sold the rest, but thankfully these expire in 2022. And then I have AMC shares as well, only 200 shares. That's why I've been selling cover calls against them, so my cost basis goes down. And then we have SENS and NDM, sundial. I'm also very bullish on. I do believe this can easily go to $5 by the end of this year. And then we have Assertio and Funware. And that's everything in my portfolio. So the one that's really hurting my account right now is all the meme stocks. That's Blackberry and Nokia right now. So I'm trying to stay away from FOMO, meme stocks. And I'll just wait until the IV goes down, because the IV is what's killing the options when we're option buyers. And that's why I mostly like to stick to option sellers, being an option seller, because we have a better chance of profiting than a option buyer. And of course, option buyers, they can make a lot of money, but there's also a lot of risk. And I'm trying to stay in the stock market as long as possible because this is my job and I have to make consistent money in order to survive. So that's pretty much it. I still have about $900 in buying power. So let me know what you guys want me to buy. I'll go ahead and check it out, and I'll probably buy some call options because call options are fun. I just buy leap calls, buy them a year out. That way there's plenty of time for the stock to move in my favor. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, and do check us out on a Discord Patreon page. We would love for you to come check us out.